Wifey Auto Care, your trusted brand in car care solution, made in Malaysia. We take pride in delivering high-quality product to enhance the beauty of your beloved vehicles. From our signature car wax to advanced interior cleaner, our product crafted to provide your vehicle with the cares it deserves. We believe the results that speak for themselves. We prioritize quality at every step of the manufacturing process. Our team is dedicated to ensuring the product meets the highest standard, giving you the confidence you need. We are available on your nearest department store. We are ready to satisfy the customers about making their cars transformative power of Wifey Auto Care. Experience the difference with Wifey Auto Care. Elevate your car grooming routine today. Visit our website and follow us on our social media.